that's perfect. That's beautiful. And I'll even show you. We'll hit it down, see? I'll hit it. That's in there. And I'll even loosen it up. So now it's right there. I'll just hit it there. And here we go. It's amazing what new bearings can do. Look at that son of a bitch. Perfect. Holy shit. That's beautiful. Zero run out. And I did it from my garage. Alright, this is looking really good. The run out on this side is 0. And the other side is 0.005. That's 1/2 of 1,000. That's beautiful. And you can attribute that to new bearings. And it's hitting there. You can even see that line it's making there. Of course, I used 1500 sandpaper, a couple of turns for body work. Alright, here we go. I'm hitting this. It's down. See? Right there, that's down, and it's and now it's at, is it at 0? I can't see. There. Okay, folks, here we go. Let's check out that run out. Boom. This is the time where I start drinking beer and start dancing around naked. Kidding. Look at that. That, my friends, is perfect. And my crank is good. My side to side is 20. And that's within specs. My visual inspection of this is beautiful. I mean, there's no mushrooming of those bearings. And this is what you get when you use 32-to-1 and you do some maintenance. Although, as you can see, like, here's one head right there, that's bead blasted. And then there's 2 others back there. Yeah, they got to be replated. Oh, man. All right, I actually got a sleeve in here. I don't know if you can see that. I actually prefer the sleeve. I know a lot of you hate me, but it's so much easier. I can get my cylinder and fix it in 2 seconds versus sending it out to Millennium or some other place. There you go. That's it. Made in America. Right? I can't say. Does that say made in America? Magma? All right, man. Be good.